A little bit about me: I am a former photographer, and the only reason why I'm saying former is because I am no longer doing active photography. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm very excited because I am going to unbox and review my newest camera. A little bit about me: I am a former photographer, and the only reason why I'm saying former is because I am no longer doing active photography, but I am doing more so videography, editing, behind the scenes. So I've had all kinds of camera models and bodies throughout the years: Nikon, Canon, and I was filming on a Canon M50 until my sensor blew, okay? And because it was an older model, it cost more for me to repair it than it was to just get a new camera. And so today I will be unboxing my newest camera, my Sony ZV Mark II, and let's get into the video. In the end, I may come back and give you what I feel like are my favorite features so far, but I'm still using the camera. But stay tuned. Let's get into the unboxing. This is my new Sony ZV-1 Mark II vlog camera that is perfect for content creators and vloggers. This camera is perfect for vlogging, where you can capture your world the way that you want. This camera streamlines shooting on the go, allowing you to capture amazing quality videos and audios without any complex setup. With this camera, you can shoot everything from group selfies to cityscapes. The wide-angle 18mm lens can capture a wider field of view than the human eye, so that you can easily fit everyone or everything into the frame. Whether you're indoors or out, the wide-angle lens turns everyday scenes into dynamic footage. When you have the camera in auto mode, the built-in intelligent 3-capsule mic switches the direction of the built-in mic from all directions, or you can have it in front when the camera recognizes a human face in the frame, or you can switch manually from auto to front for selfies or rear when shooting with narration. Just attach the supplied windscreen to reduce wind noise and capture clearer audio outdoors. So I got this mini shooting grip and tripod that has a wireless remote shutter for Sony cameras from Amazon. This tripod can do still and movie shooting without having to touch the camera. Any function assigned to the camera's C1 button can also be recalled via the remote grip C1 button. As a tripod, you can spread the grip's cleverly integrated legs and it becomes a stable tripod for the camera, leaving both hands free for vlogging and other applications. It also has a flexible angle tilt function, making it easy to set the ideal camera angle whether you're shooting selfies or a subject. 90-degree lock positions also make it possible to shoot in vertical orientation with optimum stability, and the 360-degree turning capabilities make for a very quick reset. So I will leave this definitely linked below in the description if you want to check this out. With this camera, you are able to turn everyday moments into cinematic imagery, all without post-production editing. With the cinematic vlog setting, the camera automatically shoots in a CinemaScope aspect ratio, and you can also change the color of your footage simply by selecting from the 5 looks and 4 moods for instant professional results. No experience is needed to make an impressive vlog with all the right visuals from the outset. My image style lets you simply tweak brightness and color while viewing what you plan to shoot, all without having to wade through the menus. For shots with more creative color and mood, Creative Look offers 10 presets, so simply just select one that matches your vision. Okay guys, and so we're back, and so after you've seen the unboxing and a little bit more description about this particular camera and model, I'm going to give you guys a few of the features that I'm loving so far. The first one is definitely the wide angle. It's more wide, so it doesn't have to be so compact and in the center and focus. I know that with the ZV-1 model, the lens was 24 to 70 millimeters, but with this model, the lens is now 18 to 50 millimeters. So it's giving me more of a wide angle, and I'm loving that. The second of the best features that I think so far with this camera is great is that the mic is now you can choose like front recording, back recording. So if I'm narrating, I'm behind the camera and it records in the background, where I'm in front like I am right now. The camera and the mic are recording in front, and then I have the all around recording. So I love that I'm able to pick between front, back, or all around to pick up on the sound that I want personally for my content. Now, what I will say is that if you are looking to upgrade your camera body, or you're looking to get one that is good, please be sure that you are aware that you don't have to always buy like off the floor or brand new. I was able to score this one affordable as an refurbished and open box item. Amazon offers that. I know Best Buy offers that. And so please make sure you do your research so that you are finding the best price that is affordable for you. I was able to get this, like I said, at a good, reasonable price. So I am thankful for that. And also I was able to not necessarily have to get the tripod that Sony provides, but I was able to get another brand tripod that acts just as similar. So just always know that if it's not affordable or in your budget, that you can always shop around and find something that works for your budget. So for the price that I paid for the new features and the upgraded features, I can say that I am glad that I purchased this, and I'm looking forward to making more content with it. Of course, I will leave the links below to where I got the camera and the tripod to go with it. So definitely check the description box so you can see the exact one that I got. And so that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe if you are looking for more review content, cooking content, homemaking content. Please consider subscribing. We would love to have you a part of the community and the family. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this model, what you've heard, pros, cons. Let me know in the comments below. But until next time, you guys be blessed. Bye.